Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Yeah, we see.
Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone, my name is Hajer and I'm a mechanical engineer at the Universal Kazan. And today, inshallah, I will try to walk you through in the world of industrial boilers. With much further to say, let's have a look at our today's meeting agenda. In the next 15 minutes, I will try to answer these following questions one by one, starting by who is Universal Kazan? What does Universal Kazan do? What are the type of services that we offer? And we will converge to a small conclusion. Now, who is Universal Kazan? Universal Kazan has been established in 1970 by the senior mechanical engineer, Mr. Mateen. Ever since, Universal has dedicated itself to support and supply polished boiler solution to fit and satisfy the needs of more than 35 sectors, industrial sectors all around the world. What does we do? So let's start with our most famous type of industrial boiler, which is the steam boiler. This device, as already its name indicates, it generates steam by transferring the heat from combustion to the water surrounding a combustion chamber. This kind of device can be used in a process line where you need either moisture or heat or both of them at the same time. So when can we find such a product exactly? For example, in food processing industries, steam boilers are used to generate heat for cooking, sterilization, pasteurization. Also, it is used to minimize the risk of bacteria inside the final product for brewing or distillation also. Another example for textile industries, these devices are used to maintain a specific high temperature to treat, to dye, to finish the final product and give it its final shape. Also in chemical industries, these boilers are used to generate heat for plastic production, for fertilizers, for medicine as well. Also in healthcare facilities, these kind of devices are used for heating, for sterilization equipments. Okay, that's it for healthcare facilities. Also in oil and gas, it is also industry. It is used to increase or improve the extract rate from the oil wells. Also in cleaning, I think everyone have heard before of dry cleaning. Dry cleaning is basically the use of steam in cleaning clothes. Now into our second type of boilers, which is the steam generator. So the steam generator mainly doesn't stand far away from a steam boiler, but it has its own specification. The specification and the difference between a steam boiler and a steam generator, that the steam generator starts up very fastly comparing to a steam boiler, since the steam generator has a smaller water container. The second specification about this device, it has a compact design. This solution will be very useful for someone who has a space limitation, for small scale industries or small scale uses. And also steam generator can provide steam much more faster than a steam boiler, since a generator is meant to provide heat for smaller scales, so it will be much more faster in time period. And also it is considered to be efficient, since it has a small amount of water inside of it and generates the steam directly from that small amount. Now into our third type of industrial boiler, which is the thermal oil boiler. This type of boiler, inside the the heat transferring won't be water this time. It will be transferred to a thermal oil. This device can generate heat up to 300 degrees Celsius. What is special about it? When you are seeking such a high temperature, you are at risk to overpressurize your process line or your facility. But using this type of boiler, you can reach up to 300 degrees Celsius without have to worry about the overpressure, because it doesn't give like varies a lot far from the atmospheric pressure. And is also considered to be more energy efficient than other heat generating devices, since it consumes a lot more less fuel than other heating devices to reach such a high temperature. Where can we find such devices? This thermal oil boiler are essentially used in chemical industry or anything that has to related to uh, reactors. It is used to maintain the heat inside the reactors for distillation columns, for example, for polymerization process. Also in the medicine field, it is also used for drying system, distillation, sterilization. In the oil refineries, this kind of boilers are essential since they keep the oil and all other materials at a workable temperature. So this material, if they get cold, they will get stuck in the pipeline and they cannot be removed. So the thermal oil boiler role in such a facility is to keep them in a temperature so they can keep moving inside the system. For construction material, this kind of high heat is used for stiffening, for example, wood drying, for enameling, for chrome plating, anything anything that needs very high temperature. Now to our fourth type of industrial boiler, it is the hot water boiler. This one is the most simple one of all industrial boiler. It generates hot water. It can be used for cleaning purposes in hospitality industries, healthcare sector, or residential application. For example, in hotels, they use this kind of boiler for their laundry facility in such a big scale resorts. They will be more economic for them to use one boiler to supply all laundry facilities, or even for central heating for large facilities like real estate, malls, hotels. They can use one hot water boiler unit to to provide central heat for the whole building. Of course, the number of boilers will depend on the dimension of the hotel or building. Our other final type is the heat recovery system, or either called the waste heat boiler. This type of boiler is considered to be as a recycling system. Its main role is to take any waste heat of any process. Let's say you have a process where you have a huge combustion, you have a fuel gases exceeding your chimney. These fuel gases are hot, and this heat are wasted. It's energy that goes away at the atmosphere, it is wasted. So this system rule will take this heat from the fuel gases and reintegrate it inside your facility. You have the choice to where you want to use this reuse this waste heat. Either you can use it for heating your factory, use it for cleaning, you can use it whenever you want. Just you are by recovering this waste heat, you are consuming less and less fuel during a long time. Now to our services. Universal Kazan have prided itself with a team of experts who are ready 24/7 to answer any call for any customer all around the world, not only in Turkey, for maintenance services, also training, commissioning, startup, and sometimes even for consulting or inspection. For the conclusion now, thermal oil boiler is a very essential and the heart of any industry that needs heat or requires heat in their processing. But the choice is made according to every single process specification and every single process need and requirements. So we always recommend to select your boiler carefully to ensure safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Thank you very much, everyone, for your attention, and I'm open to any of your questions.
Yeah, I will ask the first question, Ms. Hajer. If I missed it, I don't remember. You mentioned how many so far, how many countries you made, in how many countries you made project. Secondly, you give turnkey service from design to installation, right?
Yes, we do. Thank you for bringing up this question, Mr. Rashid. So we have exported for now approximately all around the world. We have projects in Egypt, in Kenya. We have also in Morocco. We have also in Europe, Romania. We have in Lithuania. We in the Middle East. We have in Saudi Arabia. Actually, we have a boiler in Riyadh, this airport. It's a special it's a special request from the Riyadh, this airport. We have also in Bangladesh, also in Bulgaria as well. So typically it's worldwide. And also we provide turnkey solutions. We design the project, we manufacture it, we send it, and we send every time with our boilers a team, mainly 2 or 1 person, to commission and sell every single unit. And also, as I said, in our services, we also do maintenance calls, and we do even maintenance precaution or inspections for every unit all around the world, not only in Turkey. Whenever our customer calls us, we try our best to answer their calls.
Yeah, I have one more question. Ms. Hajer, what is the energy source? Is it electric, coal, or gas, diesel?
Okay. For the type of fuel or energy source, the customer has the choice. We offer all type of fuels. Our designs are suitable for every type, for diesel, for fuel oil, for coal, solid, solid fuel or biomass, we call it. Any type of biomass that the customer requests, we adjust ourselves for that. We have a partner for burners. It's a FBR. It's an Italian brand. This Italian brand, we also have been working from them for since too long. Any type of fuel, even sometimes in gas refinery, they have a specific gas they want to reuse. They just offer us the specification of the gas, and we supply them burners. So there is no problem recording the type of fuel or source of energy for us. We are suitable for any type you request.
Yeah, can you please stop share screen?
Okay.
All right, please, if you have a question, raise hand. Mr. Osman joined lately. Mr. Osman, take the floor, introduce yourself.
Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Osman Keita from Guinea. I'm the business developer of Turnkey in Guinea. So we operate in logistic and transportation fields in Guinea. So we are here for also, we are doing also supplying, supply chain management. So if anyone need enter in Guinea markets, don't hesitate to contact me, so we can do something for you in Guinea. So maybe I can have questions for Madam. Yeah.
Which Guinea? Is it Guinea-Bissau?
Conakry. Guinea Conakry.
All right, Conakry. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, Guinea Conakry. So I don't know if your product. I've seen.
Yeah, the connection is interrupted.
Your also in mine companies need your products.
Mining industry. It is
mining. Yeah, mining in the industry. Yes.
Yes, mining industry, it depends on the type of mining that you are dealing with. So when I gave in the presentation are the most famous fields. So there are more than that. If you want to, we can have a one-to-one meeting, we can discuss. And I can, you tell me more about your mining industry, and I will give you suggestions for which type of boiler you might need.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So you're going to share your contact with me. So after that, I'm going to contact you to discuss.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Walid has a question. Can you?
Yes,
Mr. Walid.
Hajar, thank you so much. Now we understand more about your business and the industries you are involved into. Just want to know, have you done any project in UAE, or you have any target client that you need to be connected to? So you mentioned lots of industries like gas, oil, laundries, hotels, construction, lots of. Do you have any specific project so far in UAE?
In UAE, for now, we don't have any specific project, but I have been recently seeking the real estate industry in the UAE. Actually, our company has partners, and we can provide a turnkey laundry solution for any real estate or hotel resorts. So I have been seeking some of them, but there is nothing official now. So if you can help me with that, I will be very grateful.
Okay, so let us have one-to-one to understand how we can approach it and how we can deal with it, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you very much,
Okay,
Mr.
thank
Walid.
you.
I will be very grateful for that.
For sure, inshallah.
Thank you. Mr. Dari, you have a question?
Yes, please. Thanks for your presentation. You mentioned something about the laundry business. Tell me
Yes.
about that. Yeah.
Laundry facilities. You want to know about that?
Yes, please.
Yes. So for here, we are talking about a little bit of big scale. You're not talking about laundry for like domestic laundry or anything like that. We are talking about hotels, baby hospitals, real estate, some big infrastructure that needs one laundry facilities to manage all the facility, the building laundry. So instead of using one or small scale water like the domestic one, that will be not logical or economic, one hot water boiler can supply the needs of hot water to this facility. So as I said to Mr. Walid, we have some suppliers we have been working together. We can supply a turnkey laundry facility with a hot water boiler to generate the machines and the laundry machines. Also in laundry, you have heard about dry cleaning. Dry cleaning is mainly by using steam. In this case, a smaller, it won't be a steam boiler, I think so, but because as I explained, steam boiler and steam generator are mostly the same thing, but boiler is much more bigger. So I think for dry cleaning, steam generator will be do better since it is compact. It doesn't take too much spaces and generate steam as many as you want at the period of time that you need it. Did I answer your
Okay.
question, or is it
A
clear?
little bit. I'll be glad to know more about the dry cleaning and the laundry part of the business compared to the traditional equipment available in the market at the moment.
Okay, I will have a one-to-one with you and I will explain it further, because this solution for laundry, as I said, it is used for big scales, hotels, mainly hotels and hospitals. For now, for example, I can give you an example. Last 2 months, we have supplied this kind of thing in a hospital in Iraq. They bought steam boilers and hot water boilers to use it, one for laundry and the other one for heating the facility. So it's like you are hitting two birds with the one stone. You can use it for laundry and you can use it for heating. Of course, we have to calculate your capacity at this, in this case.
Yeah, Mr.
All
Mohammed,
right. We'll have a one-on-one.
Yes, of
see.
course.
discuss the details in one-on-ones. Mr. Mohammed Omar from Iraq.
First of all, thank you for the great presentation, Hajar bin Ghalleb. MashaAllah, you are a very well-spoken, and I hope this company will be very global with your fluency. So, as I am happy to hear that you already sold to Iraq.
She can speak 4 languages.
I know. I guess she's from, I think, from North Africa, somewhere from Arab countries.
Yes, Tunis.
Yes, and I'm happy that you already sold. I'm sure that Iraq is a great market for you.
Actually, we sold a lot in Iraq, Mr. Mohammed.
Yeah, I know. The thing is, we have an ice cream factory, and even ice cream factory needs boilers.
Of course.
We bought few in the past. So I think what I noticed that your production is mostly how you say, efficient if it's tailor-made. You are listening to the customer, and because of the customer, you produce your products. Am I correct?
Not always, because you can see we differentiate between special orders and normal conventional orders. Yes, standards. When we try to adapt, we made a design that is mostly suitable for every single uses, the conventional uses. But if our customer needs something specific, we supply them. For example, if you remember in my presentation, I showed a thermal oil boiler, a small video of it. That thermal oil boiler is a special product that the customer said we have a space problem. We need a reactor inside the boiler itself. So the thermal oil boiler doesn't came as long as it is in the video. It is much more shorter, but we made it for them. We try to approach our customer and satisfy their needs, but we have the conventional side. We give, for example, steam for ice cream factory. If they mostly, I think, either boiler or steam generator, depends on their production capacity. They use it for processing their milk or something. So they told us we need this capacity, we need this pressure, we use this fuel, and we give them our boiler.
As I mentioned last week, the Turnkey members has some advantages with our network. You're already doing businesses in Iraq, and maybe if next year we are open our showroom, I will be more than happy to not only wait for the customer to come to you, you will be also available there just to see the potentials, what you produce, and to grow the market even bigger. I am sure right now there is a lot of needs. Why, by the way, where are you located in Turkey?
We are in Istanbul. Our factory is Başakşehir İkitelli.
Başakşehir, okay, yeah, okay. So there is a lot of needs right now, and as you know, there is a lot of companies are producing similar products, and all of them have businesses in Iraq. Hopefully you will get a good also market share from there. And as I mentioned,
yesterday I just received two engineers from Iraq. They came to our factory. We have a lovely meeting. Actually, I noticed that the Iraqi market is blooming right now. Since I came in Istanbul, I realized that. So Iraq was the first country that I thought about approaching. I think my connection is
and it will keep you to your production line on. What I'm guessing. Thank you again very much.
Thank you very much.
Ms.Hajer, also please mention your boss, Ms. Gülcan.
Mrs. Gülcan is here if you want to.
Yeah, okay. I think she doesn't want to show face. If she wants, she can say hello. You can translate.
Mrs. Gülcan söyledi.
Raşit Bey, bana tercümanlık yapacağınızı söylemiştiniz.
Hacer Hanım da var yanınızda. O da zaten...
Ya siz daha iyi yapacağınız. Hacer zaten gayet iyi ama Hacer'in Türkçesi birazcık zayıf. İngilizcesi, Arapçası ve Fransızcası iyi.
Tamam, seve seve yaparız. Miss Gülcan is the owner of the Universal Kazan. Siz başlayın, ben tercüme edeyim.
Sizlerle tanışmış olmaktan ve bu grupta yer almaktan çok mutluyuz.
I am very too happy to meet you all.
Eminim ki geçen sene başlamıştık, biraz yarım bıraktık. Bundan sonra daha hızlı ve daha güzel bir şekilde beraber yürüteceğiz bu işi.
We used to be full member before and we developed business through Turnkey before. Inshallah, we will be more persistent in the future.
Sizlerle ortak çalışmaktan gerçekten çok mutluyuz.
We will be very happy to do projects together.
Tabii ki Hacer'in anlatmış olduğu sunuma dönüş yaparsak, sunumda kazan isteyenler olursa sizlerden destek bekliyoruz.
So we will be happy to help with all boiler needs. Please support us with your inquiries and thank you very much for listening us.
Bu arada şunu da ilave edeyim. Teknik olarak soruları olabilir. Yani illaki satmak değildir. Teknik olarak yardımlara ihtiyaçları olduğunda bana çok rahat bir şekilde ulaşabilirler. Her konuda yardımcı olabileceğim konularda mutlaka ki bekliyorum.
Technically support you with all your questions. We can. It's not all about doing business. You can also consult us anything about the boilers. We will be happy to give you technical information. Hacer Hanım, Muhammed Bey Türkçe konuşuyor. Irak'ta showroom'u var kendisinin. Kerkük'te. Belki orada böyle küçük bir showroom açma ya da bir numune gönderme Muhammed Bey'in sergilemesi için olabilir. Bu sizin işlerinizi orada çok hızlandırabilir.
Şimdi
ben burada şöyle hemen müdahil olayım. Muhammed Bey, Türkçe konuşmanız çok güzel. Bizim Irak'ta çok farklı bölgelerde kazanlarımız var. Ki aslında bizim partner firmalarımız genellikle bizden çalışan cihazları görmek isterler. O yüzden mesela İzmir'de bir tane showroom'umuz var. Çamaşırhane makinelerini kullanan bir firma. Kendi çamaşırhanelerini satarken aynı zamanda bizim jeneratör de satıyor. Çünkü onun buhar olmadan işlemesi olmadığı için bir bütün olarak yer alıyor. Veya bir yem fabrikası var Bandırma'da. Aynı şekilde yem makinelerini satmak için, yani kaliteli yem çıkarabilmesi için kaliteli buhara ihtiyacı var. Biz tok buhar dediğimiz, yani kuru bir buhar. O da aynı şekilde bir showroom oluşturdu. Orada da gene bizim cihazlarımız var. Veya Kocaeli Üniversitesi başka bir şekilde bir showroom oluşturdu. Orada da hem ısıtma, yani binanın ısıtmasını güneş enerjisi, sıcak su, kombi ve buharla yapıyor. Yani 4 farklı şekilde.
Tamam,
orada da
Gülcan
gene
abla,
makinenin bir parçası.
Tamam, çok şey yapmayalım, detaya girmeyelim. Konu anlaşıldı. Yani bu çalışır vaziyette gösterilmesi lazım. Ya da iş ortaklığı, birbirini tamamlayan işlerde.
Aynen öyle.
Muhammed Bey, Universal önemli bir marka kazan sektöründe. İş bire yaptığınız teklifi belki onlara da yapabilirsiniz. Yani isterseniz siz buyurun. Ben Gülcan Hanım'ın kontağını sizinle paylaşacağım. Sesi açıp birkaç kelime söyleyebilirsiniz.
çok teşekkür ederim. Şimdi Gülcan Hanım'ın tabii ki doğru söylüyor. Bu işi çalışılmak halinde görmek, ama en güzel söyledikleri şuydu. Türkiye'de zaten kendi ülkenizde ürettiğinizde de farklı bölgelerde, farklı yerlerde insanlara göstermenin önemini fark ediyorsunuz. Yani bunun da Çünkü ben sizden açıkçası boiler alsam ben makinamı kimseye göstermem Irak'ta normal olarak. Değil mi? Bir fabrika, dondurma fabrika sahibi olarak kimse gelip benim orada birisi gelsin benim gibi makinaları alsın. Bunun ta ana firmanın hatırıyla belki açabilirler başkaları o fabrikaları veya ben kendi sitemde ısıtmayı şu sizin ürünlerinizden kullanıyorum. Bunun Irakların haberi olmuyor. Sizin oraya sattığınız insanların gelip sizi burada keşfettikten sonra veya internetten nereden bulduysa referans alıp gelebiliyor. Bizim amacımız sizin ne yaptığınızı ve ne yapabileceğiniz önemlidir orada. Belki siz Irak'ta farklı bir sektöre el atılabilir. Çünkü anladığım kadarıyla ciddi üretim yapıyorsunuz, sizin o bilgi birikiminiz var. Ben sadece bu potansiyeli daha iyi zaten siz yapıyorsunuz iş Irak'ta. O sıkıntı değil. Ne kadar büyüklük o önemli benim için. Çok teşekkür ederim.
Muhammed Bey, Raşit Bey telefonumu paylaşacak. Beni her zaman arayabilirsiniz.
Geldi, teşekkür.
Ve konuşuruz.
Tamam. Çok teşekkürler.
Mehmet abi
teşekkür ederim.
tekstil sektöründe de yoğun olarak Türkçe devam ediyorum. Çünkü Gülcan Hanım'ın İngilizcesi çok iyi değil. Buradan Bayram Bey'e de iş çıkar belki. Bayram Bey de İngilizce kursları düzenliyor. Size bir el atabilir. Şimdi tekstil sektöründe...
Raşit Bey bir şey söyleyeyim mi? Bayram Bey üzerinize alınmayın. Lisede ders aldım. Üniversitede ders aldım. Pandemide ders aldım. Bir türlü başaramadım. Bana öğretebileceğini düşünüyorsa Bayram Bey'den de ders almayı çok isterim.
Eyvallah.
Belki ben
Tamam.
alayım Turkish derste.
Çok
doğru.
iddialı,
Evet.
çok iddialı oldu bu ya.
Bak iki taraftan iş çıktı Bayram sana. Hacer Hanım da Türkçe ders almak istiyor. Ben sana
Aynen Raşit Bey, bugün üyeliğimizi başlatalım inşallah.
Ya ben sana söylemiştim. Sana çok ihtiyaç var grupta diye, beni dinlemedin. Bir yıl iş kaçırdın ya.
Çok teşekkür ediyorum.
Mehmet abi, şimdi Mehmet Bey, Hacer Hanım çok tekstille ilgili muazzam tecrübeleri var. Çalık'ta falan uzun yıllar, Eroğlu'nda fabrikada yönetmiş bir insan. Mısır'da, Cezayir'de fabrika müdürlüğü yapmış. Sizin için çok değerli bir kontak bence. Şimdi bu ısının geri kazanımıyla ilgili de mesela ortak çalışmalar olabilir. Mehmet Bey'in numarasını ben size atayım. Onu ofise de çağırabilirsiniz. Gerçekten herhalde tanımadığı tekstil fabrikası yoktur. Mehmet Bey buyurun.
Merhabalar. Bu arada şeyin en yaşlısı benim. Yani onu da söyleyeyim.
Benden yaşlıysanız sıkıntı yok. Genellikle katıldığım ortamlarda yaşlılardan biri ben oluyorum.
Yok, siz rahat olun. Gülşen mıydı?
Gülcan.
Gülcan'ın. Şimdi ben şeyi soracaktım aslında. İyi ki söz verdi Raşit Bey. Şimdi ben 35-40 sene tekstil sektöründe bulundum. Son birkaç senedir de geri dönüşüme konsantre oldum. Bu geri dönüşümle alakalı birçok Türkiye'deki çimento fabrikası ve bütün dünyada da RDF yani ATY, atıktan türetilmiş yakıtı çok talep etmeye başladılar. Bu ekolojik. Sizin kazanlar da bunu yakmaya uygun mu diye aklıma bir soru gelmişti.
Şöyle söyleyeyim. Mesela Çimsa'nın fabrikalarını biliyorsunuz, çimento fabrikalarını. Türkiye'de birçok ilde var. Biliyorsunuz değil mi Mehmet Bey?
Ya duydum ben.
Onun Çimsa'nın fabrikalarına bakarsanız eğer, orada bizim bütün reküperatörlerin bize ait olduğunu görürsünüz. Ve biz bunu yapalı yeni değil, aşağı yukarı 10-15 yıl oldu.
Süper. Niye diyeceksiniz? Çünkü şu anda Türkiye'deki ve dünyadaki bütün evsel atık geri dönüşüm tesisleri normalde zaten süreç biraz sıkıntılı ama RDF yani ATY tesisi kurmayınca feasible olmuyor. Dolayısıyla bu konuya çok talep olacak. Onun için görüşmek, tanışmak istedim.
Tamam Mehmet Bey, ben dediğim gibi bakın, ben her konuda teknik olarak soracağınız sorulara da cevap veririm. Öbür türlü nerede nasıl çalışabiliriz buna da, ki Çalık Holding'in birkaç fabrikasında bizim kazanlarımız var. Buhar kazanlarımız var. Şeyde mesela İnegöl'de biz vardık. Yenisini farklı bir firmadan almışlar ama eski kazanı bize aittir Çalık Holding'in. Ama mesela Bursa'da RB karesini duydunuz mu?
Duydum.
Karesi Holding. Karesi Holding'in bünyesindeki bütün atık ısı kazanları bize ait. Aynı zamanda kızgın yağ kazanı ve buhar jeneratörlerimiz de var içeride.
Hacer abla, ben yine moderatör olarak araya girmek durumundayım. Ben size Mehmet Bey'in telefonunu attım. Mehmet Bey gerçekten çok değerli bir insan. Bilgi birikimiyle, tecrübeleriyle. Onu ofise çağırın lütfen. Nasıl işbirliği yapabilirsiniz? Birbirinize çok faydanız olacağını düşünüyorum.
Mehmet Bey, Raşit Bey şöyle söyleyeyim. Bu hafta yurt dışındayım.
Tamam.
Mısır'da bir gıda fuarı var, ona katılıyorum.
Döndükten sonra.
Döndükten sonra Mehmet Bey sizinle memnuniyetle görüşmek isterim. Ofiste sizi misafir etmekten mutluluk duyarız.
Çok teşekkürler. Sağ olun.
Evet. Any other question? Sorry for Turkish. I would like to give closing remarks to everyone. Mr. Bayram already mentioned that they will become full members as soon as possible. And Muhammad Ömer from Iraq ready for collaboration in Iraq. Mr. Dare is searching business opportunities for boilers in Nigeria. Ms. Ayla, are you here? Ms. Ayla? I will send your contacts, Ms. Gülcan, to Ms. Ayla. They can.
Yeah, sorry. Yes, I already spotted this company 2 or 3 meetings ago, and I would like to visit Universal Kazan.
Yeah, I give you contact of Ms. Gülcan. You can help them with transportation. As you know, transportation is very critical part of these boilers. They are. Have you ever carried such industrial goods before?
Yes.
Yani Türkçe'de Gülcan Hanım'a seslenebilirsiniz.
Merhaba Gülcan Hanım. Pardon, şeyi açayım.
Merhabalar.
Merhaba. Ben de sizin firmanızı hani 1-2 toplantı önce dikkatimi çekmişti. Hani müsait olduğunuzda, hani çok yoğun olduğunuzu anlıyorum. Hani ziyaret etmek isterim. Hani biz de bu tip proje taşımaları çok yapıyoruz. Hani dünyanın her yerine. Sizi müsait olduğunuzda ziyaret etmek isterim.
Ayla Hanım, şimdi demin dediğim gibi önümüzdeki hafta değil ama bir sonraki hafta
Evet.
program yapalım. Bir gün Mehmet Bey'le görüşelim, bir gün sizinle görüşelim.
Tamam. Tamam.
Böyle ona göre bir program ayarlayalım.
Tamam, memnuniyetle. Çok memnun oldum.
Bu arada tabii bu toplantılarda bayanları görmek her zaman çok hoşuma gidiyor.
Evet. Ben de.
Görüşmek üzere o zaman. Tanıştığımıza çok sevindim Ayla Hanım.
Ben de çok memnun oldum Gülcan Hanım. Görüşmek üzere.
Okay. Miss Ola is also becoming a full member. I will share her profile in our exclusive group to represent Benin regularly. Since there is no further question, we can end up the session. Thank you very much, everyone, for being with us today. It's nearly 1 o'clock. Have a nice weekend. See you next. Ola, you want to say something?
Yeah. Thank you. Sorry that I'm coming in late for this. I want to say a big thank you for this invitation. And then also, like you said, I'm becoming a member. And for all that are producers in this group, I want them to know that they just got a fresh representative in Benin. Let me know what you produce and I will give it a shout out in Benin. Then for Mr. Beyran Bouskout, please let's get in boss. I need to get to the next level with my Turkish language and then also make it a partnership, because as we do study abroad, we have this request most times, but with the universities, we never get people who are doing just the language course. So it would be good to even meet you physically before I leave on Tuesday. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mr. President, are you here?
Yes. Do you want to say something, Dare?
No, it's been a very good meeting. Like I suggested to Mr. Beran, we need to set up a Turkish language school in Nigeria, just like the French and the German school, you know, they're already in Nigeria. So it'd be nice to actually have a Turkish language school to prepare the students before they come into Turkey, you know. So that's one of my suggestions to Mr. Beran.
Maybe it will be started as a from Zoom. For instance, my daughter
No, physical.
taking English course from Russia through the Zoom.
It has to be a physical school. I attended to the French school at some point in Nigeria. The French school actually have they have a French school in
Alliance
Nigeria,
Française.
Alliance Française, you
And
know.
Goethe
So we need
Institute
to
for
get
German.
and go to Institute for German, you know. So we need to like plan how to do that in Nigeria with the support of the Turkish embassy. That would be a very good one for Turkey to promote Turkey in Nigeria.
Very, very good. Sorry that I'm coming in. Like, we have had to go to the Turkish ambassador to ask how can I get to learn Turkish language. He sent me a link, but he wasn't able to. It did not help me online. So setting up, I mean, a live school will be a great one. A lot of people need it. They are coming to Turkey to do business, but sometimes it does not go beyond a limit, because speaking English and French, like our president said, most times they get cut off. But if they know that they can learn the language and get just the basics, it will be a very good one. So let's connect before I leave. Thank you too.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice weekend. See you next Saturday. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Cheers, bye.
Bye.